Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Irene, and in today's video I'm doing a very exciting unboxing video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from Louis Vuitton, so if you're interested to see what I got, then let's get straight into this video. So here is the big orange bag and box that I just got today in store. I am very excited. This is an impulse buy, and I'm going to actually get you guys to leave a comment down in the comment section down below to see if you can guess what item I purchased from Louis Vuitton. So it's right in here, and my sales associate even left a couple of samples in the bag, but I'm not going to go to that. Without further ado, this is going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into this. I went into Louis Vuitton today just randomly, just thinking I would want to take a quick look around, not planning on buying anything by any means, but they appear to be getting a lot of stock lately, not like before where they were out of stock all the time and even online. Things are starting to pick up again with production, I'm guessing, so I ended up getting an item that I didn't think I would get because this item's I've never seen in store before. I don't know how this opens up. I think it slides. Hold on. Take this out here. Oh, this is hard. All right, here it is inside in the dust bag, and we'll just take this out. Have you got any ideas about what this might be yet? Let me know. All right, let's get straight inside. So you can see it's not a very large bag, but this is the somewhat new Speedy 20 in the Empreinte leather, black with gold hardware, as you can see. And it is the most adorable size for a Speedy. It fits everything that I need. I've tested putting stuff inside when I was at the store, and it has so much room in it despite how small it is, but it's still very practical. I like this size a lot more personally compared to the Nano Speedy. I know the Nano Speedy is very popular, but this one just fits a lot more in a very practical everyday usage type of way. But this bag just looks like this. I'll give you a quick 360. It's got even these leather tabs here, gold hardware. This will be where the D-link will attach to the straps. It's got a double zipper, and then no feet on the bottom. So inside, I'm just gonna open up this zipper real quick. It is lined with a black, it feels like suede, a black suede lining. And I've got the strap tucked inside. This is a leather strap that contains on the two edges this beautiful gold chain that actually attaches to the bag itself with the clasp. And of course, this strap is adjustable, which is perfect. I have it adjusted to the middle loop from being in store and trying it on. It is adjusted to the middle hole, and it actually works perfectly on me, both as a crossbody bag and as a shoulder bag. It's not too long, not too short, because I find that a lot of times it can be a problem. I'm not the tallest. For reference, I am 5'4", and this bag works perfectly well on my frame. With the strap on, it just looks like this, and it is just the cutest thing. I personally love when bags don't stick out and jut out a lot from my body, and this bag, with the way that it is, it's kind of slouchy, and so it kind of forms to your body shape, but without looking very sloppy. It just forms perfectly, holds a little bit of shape, but does kind of like, it's not stiff, so it doesn't stick out from your body and jut out a lot, and so I love that about it. It's beautiful, and I showed you the inside already, but I think I've got the lock and key in here still. Yeah, lock and key in the little pouch, and of course I think it's got some item numbers here. Mine is made in the USA. Now, a lot of people are quite particular about where their pieces are made. I think I've mentioned this before in some of my other videos. I personally am not super particular about where my pieces are made, just because as long as the piece that I've checked over is fine and doesn't have any defects, I don't really care where it's made. Some people I've known that are quite particular about where their pieces are made, and they themselves have had pieces from France that have had defects, whereas my Speedy 25 that I own in my collection and have had for a couple of years now is also made in the United States, and it's never had any issues. So I personally believe that, especially for Louis Vuitton, I don't care so much. For Chanel, maybe I care a little bit more. But yeah, mine is made from the USA. And again, this is the Speedy 20. I'm not sure if it's a bandolier version. I mean, it comes with a band, so maybe, yeah. Speedy bandolier 20 in the black Empreinte leather, and it is just the most perfect, beautiful size. I love it so much. Price-wise, this bag currently retails for 3,250 Canadian dollars. So definitely kind of on the mid-range of the Louis Vuitton scale. Obviously, their capuchins are like ranging at like $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 depending on the version and whether it's exotic or whatever. But definitely not like $1,000, $2,000. It's a little bit higher than that. So just something to consider, but it is all leather versus their monogram pieces or like their canvas pieces, which are obviously coated canvas. So I find that yes, this is more expensive, but this is all leather and it's not vachetta. I'm personally not a huge fan of vachetta leather just because the way that it patinas and darkens and ages over time, it can look really not nice in my opinion. Some people love it, but because this is all treated leather and the entire thing is made out of leather, it's got beautiful gold hardware, it has a substantial weight to it, I think that this price is justifiable. And with the way things are going, I can definitely see this guy continuously going up in price as the year kind of progresses. So definitely this was an impulse buy. Was not expecting to purchase this today. Walked in there, not ever seen this bag in person before, but yeah, I've seen this bag online and I've loved it on other people. Just never thought I would be able to have the opportunity to own it myself. If you have previously owned this bag or currently own it right now, or if you have any particular thoughts about this bag, please let me know down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, any pros and cons. Of course, I will be doing a more in-depth review showing you what fits inside, the pros and cons of the bag, and even like mod shots. But definitely want to give it some time and for me to actually use it first before I give you guys my own thoughts and opinions about it. So that's my really quick unboxing video of my new bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button down below and consider subscribing to join our little community. Every new subscriber really just makes my heart so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!